Hello students, the research indicates that the standard deviation of a temperature is given as 0.4 degrees Celsius. So which of the following represents the standard deviation of a typical human body? Temperature in degrees and Fahrenheit, F is given as like this. So the information is given that the standard deviation of centigrade is 0.4. So if I'm finding the variance of centigrade, so that will be equal to 0.4 square. Now the function given to us is f equals to 9 by 5 c plus 32. So if I'm finding the variance of f, so that should be equal to 9 by 5 variance of 9 by 5c, so its variance, plus variance of 32. So we know that the variance of any constant is 0. So that means variance of f is given as variance of 9 by 5c. So we know that by the formula that variance of ax is given as a square into variance of x. So if I apply this over here, so I'll get 9 by 5 whole square into variance of c. So that is 9 by 5 whole square into 0.4 whole square. So if now that's the formula for the variance of f. If now I want to get the standard deviation of f, so that is root under variance of f. So if I apply this formula, so that will be root under 9 by 5 whole square into 0.4 whole square. So that is equals to 9 by 5 into 0.4. So the answer to this is B. Thank you, students.